Hi friends, welcome to Tube Plus Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the inventory system of Java. So here you will be able to see inventory management system calculation part. Here you can see here this is the products. Okay, sugar. This is a price. This is a rice price, banana price, and apple price, and tomato price. How many item in your shop? You just list down like this. Okay, so here if you click, I want to calculate the amount total. If you buy sugar, you can see the price. Rice, the price. Here the total 15 to 30, the total, the final total will be displayed. If tomato 10, here I want the apple 40 rupees, here it will be displayed over here. So this is the final total. So the banana, here you can see again you have to order that this is the final total. If you add the item, it automatically calculate and display the price. Okay, it's a simple way. Okay, so how to make this system step by step we'll teach. Okay. First, this are called as list box, which is list box. So let's go to the project, select Java application here, Java with and Java application. You click. If it is a main class, check it. You uncheck it. List box ex. Here we have write source package. Here write here JFrame form list. So here click on this, drag on the label stock inventory system Java. Okay, so this one I'm going to select this one properties. We have to make it this one as a bold 18. Okay, let's increase size little bit bigger. So yeah, I want to drag one with this one splitter. But put like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the one list box. JList. Select this and drag it. Now here this one I want to the same items. I want to get it this all the items, so I'm going to get this instead of writing. I'm going to get it this one. Same thing I tell you how to write it. So you select this one. You have to write properties. Here this is the model. These are model items are there. So here we have to type. You have to type sugar. Your price. You have to type like this. This way you have to implement it another item all the things. Okay, so now I already type it, so that I just copy and paste it like this. Okay, if I type it and do it take too much of time, that's why I just copy and paste it. You have to type on it. First line you have to type sugar, the respective price, rice that respective price, banana that respective price, apple their price, its price, tomato its price. That's it. Perfect. Right click properties, you have to write it here bold 40. Now this one I'm going to take little bit bigger. Okay, now let's run and check it. This is not like this. So right click, select this one, right click properties, code center. After that go to the source, Control F, UI, metal. Now this one you can see here. Now you can stop it, close it. Now I'm going to drag one and the list box. Sorry, not a list box, text area. Here where we have a list down all the totals. Okay, now here this one, copy this. Here you have write this one. You have a font. I'm going to font. I'm going to little bit increase 14. Okay, 14. Background color I'm going to change it as black. Foreground I'm going to color change it as yellow. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I want to think this one should be there. Change variable txt display. This one I'm going to change it as list item. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to this one, select this one, event list list selection value change. This one. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do the thing is this is the way I'm going to explain it. You write it here double. First you have to put double price. Okay, now here this one's the list box variable list items list box. Okay, now here the text area, which name is, you have to write this text area name, the txt display. We have to another one is a tot. Okay, now what I did here is these are the list. So I want to select sugar. I want to display over here. After that, rice, it will be calculated sugar plus price and rice price and display the final amount. So that's how we have calculated. So what I'm going to do is we have to create the two different variables, price and total. After that, we have to take this argument. This is the value changed. List item value change means you have to click on this particular sugar, the sugar will be displayed. If it is rice, rice would be displayed. If it is a mango, mango would be displayed. So what is the product your selection upon the product would be displayed on the text area. Okay, so that's how the list item value change event react. Okay, so there is a argument which is a EVT. Okay, this list item which has a argument EVT. This argument you would get it here if function, and you have to close the if function. So here, close it over here. Now what I'm going to do is here there is a method called get value is adjusting. After that, inside this if condition, you have to write it here, this one simple code. You have to create a variable select value. List items mean this is the name of the list box. List items. What's the item you are selected? There's a method called get value get selected value. This one assigned to this variable. Okay. So if it is sugar, sugar will be assigning here. So after that, we are checking if selected value is sugar with this category, price would be we are assigning this. If it is a rice, price would be 30. If it is a mango, the price would be this. If it is an apple, price would be this. Tomato price would be this. Okay, so after that, we have already created the variable tot. So tot plus equal price, it will, what is the price you are adding, keep on saving the memory, program memory. It is calculating and assigned to this tot variable. After that, we have to print out it where it would be print out here. It would print out here. So what I'm doing here is first you have to write it like this. After that, your total is total, this total, but pass it here. That's it. That's the thing you have to write it. So the next line we have to again another thing is print out. It will be coming here. That's how we have to do it. Okay, so yeah, what is the things? Okay, now let's check it. It's working. It's working. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Okay, it's working perfectly well. You can see that it's working perfectly well. I hope you guys understood things well. I'll get in touch with in my upcoming tutorial. Thank you.